Hello, I'm just a fool who's willing to sit around and wait for you. But baby, can't you see there's nothing else for me to do? I'm hopelessly devoted to you. But now there's nowhere to hide since you pushed my love aside. I'm not in my head, I'm hopelessly devoted to you. Hopelessly devoted to you. Hopelessly devoted to you.
Not only did you represent Viney well, you represented all the ladies well, and right now, I think you are the female to beat out of all of the females right now for Digicel Stars. Girls, if you're back there waiting to come up, you better bring it, because Makueta brought it. That was tight.